Introducing brand new indicators PPC Plus and PPC Plus to lean construction and last planner system community. The percent plan complete PPC, well understood, implies taking into account work done as per requirements. That means completion. Nevertheless, it is not unusual that projects estimate PPC based on activities performed and quantities, such as areas, weight, etc., without identifying defects, and then missing requirements achievement. For example, 5 columns casted as weekly scheduled implies PPC equals to 100%. However, this estimate is unable to identify lots of daily changes erupting dramatically in order to accomplish what was scheduled. These changes happen not only due to defective planning, but also due to rework. In the following example, we will demonstrate the existence of an unnoticed variability. Even though PPC remains at 100%, that means that variability equals to 0, and that PPC reaches the best possible value. As stated at the very beginning, PPC well understood implies taking into account work done according to requirements. However, it is not unusual that project estimates PPC nearly based on activities, whether or not the output is as per requirements. This kind of PPC is what we are talking about in which regard to deliverable specification achievement. In this example, 5 columns are to be casted during 1 week, that is 1 column per day. Also, we estimate that 1 column is done only by 2 workers. Here, the expected value of PPC equals to 100% at the end of the week, as usually estimated for some projects. Now, in the following scenario, some columns are not done when daily scheduled, but are done as weekly scheduled. Then, PPC remains equal to 100%. Thus said, we notice that there is a number of possible combinations concerning to daily concrete casting changes related to one PPC optimal value. These combinations represent the hidden variability. Let's unveil this variability. Now, we introduce the PPC Plus, which is based only on activities performed when daily scheduled. Then, there are only 3 columns to be taken into account. It means that PPC Plus equals to 60%. And now, what about if we detect defects and only take into account activities performed when daily scheduled and only those concerning to columns without defects? Those are columns as per requirements. In this case, there are 2 columns to be counted for our balance. This is what we call the PPC plus, and it is equal to 40%. Take note that PPC Plus is not a daily PPC, since our final PPC Plus balance is based on a weekly period of time. Regarding the resources, remember that 1 column is to be done by 2 workers, and on Tuesday, we got 2 columns done. Since no any column was done at all on Monday, and no additional worker was added on Tuesday, we conclude that actually, 1 column can really be done only by 1 worker. Then, having 2 workers means a wasted extra cost equals to 1 worker. This extra cost is used for affording the aforementioned hidden variability and can be expressed using the following relation called the rate of waste. R sub W equals to PPC plus divided by PPC. Here, the more R sub W tends to 1, the less waste of resources is achieved. The PPC plus and PPC plus don't replace the PPC, moreover can work together using the same data, and then propelling better estimates for improving projects' performance. Quality Consulting Solutions. We built solutions.